guys, welcome to another video. I am here on the toll road heading to Kingston. Yet again, I have someone coming in from Trinidad. They saw my videos, these same videos that you guys are watching, and they reached out saying that, hey, they're gonna come to Jamaica for some vacation. Could I come and pick them up and drop them back to Ocho Rios and show them around a little bit? So yeah, of course, I'm all for that. I started out very early this morning, as you saw in the video, darkness. And you know what that means? It means by the time I get to here, the toll road, there is a lot of fog. It's pretty cold, which is nice. Alright, so I'm enjoying the drive so far. Heading down to pick these guys up. So I'm driving through the fog now, and this one is pretty thick. I can't even see the mountains around me. Quite interesting. See, it's cleared up quite a bit, so I'm able to see everything clearly now. And yes, it's still pretty cold, but not that cold. Alright guys, so I picked up these friends from Trinidad.
Yo, it's me, Alvin.
Alvin. This young man is Liam and Amy. Alright, so they're going to have a really good time in Jamaica. I'm going to enjoy it. And we're on the toll road now heading in, so they'll see some really nice nature. You guys excited to be here?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Jamaica.
You will see. You'll see how beautiful Jamaica is. Watching the water and they're getting excited, for the water and how blue it's looking. Liam, you're going to be bathing in that soon, don't worry.
Yeah, Jamaica is
Alright, so we're in the famous drink center in Ochi, and we have the food spread out here. Hungry.
behind the scenes.
So we just ate in the Ocho RIos drink center. How was the food, guys?
Delicious, delicious, delicious.
Top reviews. And now, this is not just an airport pickup. I'm going to make sure to have a good time. So now we're going to the old Spanish bridge. I haven't been here in a long time, so I'm looking forward to it. Here we are at the Spanish bridge. It is here, it is open. I'm so excited to go. I haven't been here in years and years since before the pandemic, so let's go and have some fun. Bridge, man. It's been a long time. So, Evan, what do you think?
Yeah, it's beautiful here.
Beautiful, right?
Really, really beautiful. Yeah, just look at it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Clear, clear, clear water. It's a nice quiet day. Clear water, can't go wrong.
Never regret coming to Jamaica. However, if you plan a trip to come to Jamaica, make sure and visit Spanish Bridge. You will. Trust me, you will enjoy it.
Yeah, something else. The old Spanish Bridge. As I said, it's been a long time, but look at it. It's somewhat nostalgic coming back and seeing it after all of this time, after pandemic and everything. It's just amazing. I shared it with some friends from Trinidad. They've blown away by it. How clear that water is. Oh man, it's just amazing stuff. So yeah, this is the trip. I went into Kingston, picked these guys up from the airport, and they were good soldiers because they went straight from the airport. We ate, drive through all the toll road, everything, came to Ocho, and then came here. They haven't checked into their hotel yet. Could you imagine that? But what a day. You start off flying to Jamaica and you end it with the old Spanish Bridge. You can't go wrong, right? Alright guys, so we went to Spanish Bridge. How was it?
Speechless. That's it, nothing right now.
Yeah. I'm going to drop them to the hotel, but I'm taking them for a little drive through Fern Gully first so they could see a drive through the mountains, carved out through the mountains. So, I just dropped them off. This is the hotel they're staying in, Pineapple Court. A nice little hotel, resort kind of thing. They're tired, I'm tired, but I have to make the trek back to Montego Bay. But it was a very good day, and I'm really glad that they had a really good time. This introduction in Jamaica is exactly what they needed. I'm glad I had a little part to do in that. Anyway guys, I'm gonna head back to Montego Bay. You guys have seen this route many times, so I'm gonna sign it off here. And if you guys want to do any tours like this, let me know. Give me a contact. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.